Africa is a critical part of MacLean's global footprint. It is a region defined by scale, complexity, and opportunity, and one where quality equipment and strong local support make all the difference. I'm very excited to be visiting our MacLean Paris branch here in 2026. Our first branch opened 28 years ago. Paris opened in 2010. And every time I come back, the growth in the operation is stunning to me. From the first little offices we had on the other side of town to this multi-bay build and rebuild shop here in Paris. While it's personally exciting to me, it's also very exciting to our customers to know that our commitment to having engineering, customer service, field service, build and rebuild shop with parts to support all of this means that we're here to support them in their operations across Africa.
Paris and the 𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗏 branch, or the local South African branches, are the heart of MacLean Africa. From here we support our customers in Southern Africa as well as into the rest of the Africa continent. The Paris facility allows us to do new machine assemblies, full equipment rebuilds, as well as aftermarket assemblies for the service and support. What this means is a quicker turnaround for our customers and all being local. And this is a tailor-made service and support solution for our customers and their operating conditions within Africa. MacLean Africa isn't just about the equipment, it's about the partnerships. We're here to support our customers, invest locally, and help mines across Africa operate safely and efficiently. By being local, the advantage is to train our people local. The equipment that gets assembled acts as a training ground for not only MacLean personnel, but for our mining customers as well. They can send their people local, get trained up, and in that way we invest in the partnership and in the local communities.
Africa is a very important region to MacLean because of the vast resource that's available here. Africa is a very resource-rich area with many projects scattered across the entire continent. Many of these projects are quite remote and difficult to get to and require a large investment on behalf of the customer to develop these projects, but they put a pressure on us to deliver high quality, very reliable gear, safe operating on 24/7 environment, and to also build a continent-wide support organization to support and service this gear at our customer sites. As MacLean continues to grow globally, Africa remains a key part of our future, supported by strong people, strong facilities, and quality equipment built for life underground.